Hello and welcome to my unboxing. I got my jumpers from Tom Patterson, who you can email for pricing and availability right here. I love the stickers that he included, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe they are his original artwork. These are just so pretty. Of course, my favorite has to be the little mini jumping sticker. The species I ordered is Phidippus regius. This is the little girl that I named Smoke, ironically, because she disappeared very quickly upon opening, which you'll see here. Luckily, I was able to gently pick her up pretty quickly after she jumped off my desk and rappelled down onto my foot. I tried to get a couple close-ups just so you could see her a little bit better. She is so tiny and so freaking cute. I was obviously a little paranoid after our first encounter, and I was very quick to shut the door of her enclosure. I also wanted to include a few of the cool photos I was able to snap the first day I got her. I'm obsessed with the top of her head. It looks like she's wearing like a little leather cap or something. Moving on to the boy, Phidippus regius. He was a lot calmer, and he is still a lot less sketched out by me, which I definitely appreciate. I attempted to get this close-up shot of his tiny little face just peeking out at me. And he just ran on in, went exactly where I wanted him to go. No problem. Don't worry, I definitely ordered a specialty lens to take some really cool photos and videos of these guys. I chose to name this guy Pine after I saw his green fangs. It was just really cool to see. I had a boy previous to this, and he had more turquoise coloring, so it was really nice to have something a little bit different since the males tend to look similar from what I've been told. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for your time. Bye.